We're the Turnbow family, and this is our daughter Anna and our son Enzyme. Anna was born full term, perfect as could be, and 3 days after her birth, her liver would stop processing the bilirubin in the body. And from that, she developed athetoid cerebral palsy, resulting in where she is not able to walk or function on her own. So a couple years back, Ethan Clegg in our community had Best Vinyl come and help his family build a ramp for him to be able to get his wheelchair in and out of the house. And several other people in the community saw what had happened for the Clegg family and submitted our name to Best Vinyl, that they should come and help us build a ramp for our house.
Anna has lots of friends. At school, they even have to make a chart because you can't have like 20 kids playing with her at the same time, so they have to rotate through the kids.
Yeah.
That's a yes.
That's a yes?
Show them another yes.
Tongue out.
No, you're
You
not
don't
going
wanna
to show them.
Okay, and that's definitely a no, the pouty lip. So I believe it was Cameron from Best Vinyl came up and he took measurements of what it would take to do an ADA ramp from our house. And they asked the question, they said, would you guys be open to doing a lift inside the garage instead? They came and did the measurements and found that the stairs inside the garage would also have to be altered to make this work. And so it was a big project that was going to be taken on. And so they started a GoFundMe page. The people who had submitted our names also submitted funds to GoFundMe. And they came and built out the stairs, and then Timpanogos Elevator came and installed the lift in the garage.
And it's been a huge blessing to our family. I know it's blessed Anna, but I feel like it's really blessed Matthew and I to have our backs be stronger and not be in pain all the time with all the transporting we already had to do prior to this. And we just feel a lot of love from the community and from family. You know, they've reached out to help us, and we're so grateful for the hand up from others.
They stayed way late in the night until it was finished, and Anna was riding up and down on it.
Oh, and I think Anna's one reason they stayed late. She got home from school and they met her.
And they saw our process of transferring her
Yes.
and wheelchair and everything else, and they stayed and got that put in. Mitch came and said, what other projects are you planning? And so I said, well, at some point I'm going to be tearing out this bathroom to make it so we can put in a bath chair and a toileting chair in here. And they came back and said, you know, we'd love to help you with that too. And even though that extended the process, they were so kind and they just stayed at it every day until it was complete.
So Anna, is the new lift fun? Do you like it?
Yeah. Yeah.
You like unicorns? Me too. Have you ever seen a real one? Yeah, me neither.
She communicates, as you've seen, with the yes and no, but she also uses what's known as a pod book. And it has multiple pages with columns and rows, different pictures. And then she instructs you whether it's in this certain column that she's wanting to talk to you about.
This one. This one. Wedding. She likes to talk about her wedding.
Okay.
Isn't it?
We kept thinking to ourselves, there are so many other people who are in need, and we're doing okay, but they insisted.
And it wasn't just the lift. I mean, they went and did the bathroom too.
Yeah.
That was just overwhelming. We're so grateful.